Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily, and today we're going to be going over how to create an area chart within Tableau. So for an area chart, it's going to be very similar to a line chart, but it's going to be a little bit more colored in, I guess is the best way to say it. But for this, we're going to need one dimension and one measure. It's going to be great for showing something over time. So in here, we have a few different data types or time-based data types. We could do ship date or order date. I'm just going to go by order date to make things easy. And then let's go ahead and grab a measure here. So we're going to see sales over time. I'm going to go up here to show me, and then we're going to go to area chart. So as you can see here, let's get these out of the way. We can see sales over time. Now, if we wanted to make this a little bit more colorful, let's go ahead and drag something over here to the color pane. Let's say we want to see the various categories by our color, and we'll have this be broken down by, we've got furniture, we've got office supplies, and we've got technology. Now, let's say the consumer of this visualization, they want to be able to toggle some stuff as far as subcategories go. So let's go ahead and show filter here. So then they can do it a little bit more interactively where they can say, oh, let's see accessories, let's go appliances, and let's go copiers. Okay, and then we'd be able to see this. Now it will break it down still by those categories. Now, if we wanted to change it to where the colors that we're seeing are not applied by category, but rather by subcategory, then we would just have to drag it down. Let's go ahead and see there. That will get rid of our filter, but let's go ahead and show filter again. And now we can break it down a little bit more. There we go. So that way it makes it a little bit more interactive. I personally also like to show the marks labels, so then you can see it over time. Just makes it a little bit easier to read when you are presenting this visualization. But that's going to be how you create an area chart within Tableau. I hope that you found this video helpful and informative. If you liked it, be sure to give it a like and subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below and I'll do my best to get back to you. You can connect with me on LinkedIn at EmilyCallMBA. I am also a LinkedIn Learning instructor, so you can check out our courses over on LinkedIn Learning if you so choose. But thanks again for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.